Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to share a playlist from your library on YouTube on Android. Whether you're a music lover or just want to share your favorite tunes with your friends, this tutorial is for you. So, let's get started. First, open your YouTube app and go to your library. You can access this by tapping on the library icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in the library, you'll see all the playlists you've created or saved. Next, find the playlist that you want to share and open it. You can do this by tapping on the playlist title or thumbnail. Once you're in the playlist, you'll see all the videos or songs that are in it. To share the playlist, tap the share icon. It's the icon that looks like an arrow pointing upward, and you'll see it next to the playlist title. When you tap on it, you'll see a list of options for sharing the playlist. You can share the playlist through various methods such as messaging apps, email, or social media. Just select the method you prefer and follow the prompts to complete the sharing process. You can even copy the link to the playlist and share it wherever you like. Sharing playlists is a great way to discover new music and share your favorite tunes with others. Whether you're creating a playlist for a party or just want to share your favorite songs with someone special, YouTube makes it easy to do. And that's it. You've successfully shared a playlist from your library on YouTube on Android. It's that simple. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.